Hello everybody. So in this video, I'm going to discuss few more questions, right? Earlier in the last videos, I have discussed about this five problems, right? So then 6, 7s are there. But today I will take this 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, this problems. Based on the importance I'm choosing the problem. Don't think that I will not solve the rest problem. Every problem I will solve. Let me solve today first this series 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let me finish first. Then I will go for the next one. Right? As I told, this is based on the importance only, right? So my name is Subhrajit Sahu, assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. So in this video I will solve this first question here. Observe carefully. It's a very important questions actually, right? Let us try to understand what is the question given here. Sir, it is given a hexagonal prism, right? Hexagonal prism. Object is what? Hexagonal prism. Base how much? 30. Age is given 30. Axis height 70. Okay. Has an edge of its base vertical plane. It's resting on. Okay. It is on the vertical plane and inclined at 60 degree to HP. 60 degree to HP means the 60 degree will reflect in vertical plane. Already several times I told, whatever dimension, whether distance, angle, anything is given with respect to horizontal plane, that will be reflected in vertical plane. On reverse, vice versa. If it is given with respect to vertical plane, that will reflect to horizontal plane, right? So 60 degree in this question, it will be reflected in vertical plane. So draw the projection when the edge of other base farthest away from vertical plane is at a distance 85 mm from vertical plane. So 85 mm distance is given from vertical plane is given means this 85 mm will be reflected in HP, right? This 85 mm will be reflected in HP. This 60 degree will reflect in VP. Sir, observe how to draw this diagram. Very simple, but little bit. Actually, this sentence, na, this when the edge of other base farthest away vertical plane is at a distance 85 mm. This sentence is very important. Actually, this is may not be understand by a student very easily, but I will tell the easy method, sir. Okay, don't try to understand this line. I'll tell the easy method how to solve this one, right? Observe, sir. What I will do, I will draw the reference line first. I'll draw the reference line here. I draw the reference line. Okay, you told I draw. Okay. Next, sir. Sir, object. Sir, first I draw top view here or here. First I draw the top view or first I draw the front view. Observe. Given the edge of its base in the VP. VP means first you have to draw the front view in this question. Sir, I'm drawing the front view here. Right. Sir, any gap I will give? Yes, some gap you give. No distance as per in the question. No such criteria is given. How much above HP like this? Nothing data is given. So it gives some data. Sir, can I keep my hexagon? Control Z. Can I keep my hexagon? Can I position my hexagon like this also? Okay, no problem. This position also fine because in the question no such criteria is given. You can keep like this also or you can keep like this also, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, anyway you can choose, right? But this question and this time I'm choosing this side, this type of positions. Observe. Sir, name give A. Okay, B, C, D, D, E, either E and F. F, right? So what is the next step? Next step means projection line. Simple projection line you have to draw. Thin line, take the thin line, very thin line. Okay. Change the color, control Z. So this is the projection line. From F and C also one line will come. From C and D also come, right? So name give immediately, name give a dash, a dash, b dash, c dash, d dash, sorry, f dash, right? F dash. Like this mistake also students are doing. Sequentially, they are giving the name without looking what is the point here. CF, so C dash, F dash, D dash, E dash, right? So naming is over. So what is the next step? Sir, height, sir, center point is required here or not? Not required, but you draw center also. You can draw, no problem at all. So how to draw? Very simple. Join here to here. Diagonal. Any two diagonal is join. Or I'm joining three diagonal also. This is the center point. Center point is O. Very simple over. Next, sir. What is the height given? 17. So extend this axis. 70 I am extending. 70 I am extending. Right. Then next step is what, sir? Extend this line here to here. Take the thick line here. Right. From here to here. Okay. Then from here to here. Join from here to here. Right. Diagram is over. Naming gives a naming give a double dash, b double dash, c double dash, a double dash, double dash, b double dash. Right. Right. So naming is over. Sir, read. Observe the question carefully. Then an inclined at 60 degree to HP. Sir, inclined to 60 degree to HP means the 60 degree will come in vertical plane. But after drawing first this diagram, second this diagram, then third diagram, where I will do? Here or here. So third, first you have to draw the diagram here. Then in fourth you have to draw the diagram here. Then in fifth you have to draw the diagram here. Then in sixth you have to draw the diagram here. Sir, flow is how much? Flow is how? Sir, flow. First this diagram, second this diagram, third this diagram, fourth this diagram, fifth, sixth. So this is starting and this is ending, right? This is ending for this question. So this is will be the start. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the sequence. This is the flow of the diagram. Sir, but in this question, it is given 60 degree to HP now. So 60 degree HP means 60 degree has to be visible here in vertical plane, right? But now I have to do the diagram here only. Sir, can I consider the 60 degree right now? No, I cannot consider the 60 degree right now. Just ignore the sentence and proceed reading. Draw the projection when the edge of the other base farthest away from the VP is at distance 85 mm from the vertical plane. Sir, 85 mm from the vertical plane means it will reflect where? In the horizontal plane or not? That means 85 first will come here. 85. Okay. 85 comment, but in the question 60 degree is given for confusing the students only, right? For confusing. Observe, read the question carefully, then give answer, right? So first I will show the 85 here, then 60 degree will be here, then as per the question my diagram will be prepared, right? So observe, this is the flow. I have shown you the flow. What is the flow, sir? First here, then here, then here, here. If you are starting the diagram in vertical plane first, sir, suppose most of the cases we are starting the diagram first here or not, then here we are going. So in that case, what is the flow? flow become like this. First diagram here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here. This is starting point, this is ending point. But for this question, this one is the starting point, this one is the starting point, this one become ending point. So don't confuse. Remember this trick. What I'm saying, this trick is really very important, right? Anybody can easily do this diagram. Sir, 85 I have to consider first. 60° I have to consider later, because I have to do the diagram in horizontal plane only. So vertical plane dimensions I have to take first, right? So what I have to do? 85 given, it's very simple, sir. You draw from this reference line, take 85 by drafter. By drafter you take and draw a line here, horizontal line you draw. Okay, sir, I draw 85 drawn. Right. Next, what I have to do? Observe, sir, carefully observe. Next, what I have to do? Mark any point here. Mark any point here. Give some gap. Give some gap. Don't take the point closer to this diagram, and don't take the point far away, more far away from this diagram, right? Because space issue later you will get if you give big distance, or if you give small distance also, this diagram may be overlap. So these things automatically come to your mind when we will practice more, right? So I have to give this D point and E point, right? So D point, sir, take any point here. Sir, I'm taking here, giving here. Okay, we told I give here. Okay, this is which point, sir? D dash and E dash. Sir, next what I will do? Measure D dash to A dash, D dash to A double dash, B double dash measure, and by compass you measure. Okay, draw a arc here. This side you draw. Don't go left side arc. Left side also you can do the arc, but you draw the arc right side. This side. Sir, what is the measurement? D dash to A double dash. Sir, this is my D dash E dash point. So draw the arc here. Okay. Automatically it will reach here to here. Compass you will take, and here to here you draw. Automatically it will come. You can draw here and here also, but don't draw this side. Draw this side, right? Sir, what is this point name? A double dash B double dash. Sir, what is the next step? Next step is, sir, from this D dash to D double dash measure. D dash to D double dash measure and mark the point here. Mark the point here. Draw the arc. Then A double dash. This is my A double dash point or not? Because here to here I measured and I marked here. So A double dash. So A double dash to D double dash measure and draw the arc here. Right? It's very simple, sir. What I have to do? Sir, what once again I will tell. Sir, D dash to A double dash measure. First take a point D dash here. Okay, take suitable distance from this diagram to this diagram. Suitable distance you choose, D dash E dash. Then D dash to A double dash measure by compass and draw the arc here. Don't draw arc left side, this side. Draw arc this side. Then D dash to D double dash measure. Then D from D dash put compass. Draw the arc here. Then A double dash to D double dash measure. This is my A double dash point. Draw the arc. Very simple over. Now join, sir. Here to here you join. Here to here you join. Here to here you join. Okay. Then put drafter here parallel. Put drafter here parallel and shift here and draw the line here. Then set drafter here. Set drafter here and draw the parallel line from this point. Right? Very simple. Then what I have to do, sir? Sir, this is my which point? This is my D dash E dash. This one is my A dash B dash, right? A dash, B dash. This one is my A double dash, B double dash, and this one is which point? D double dash, E double dash. Sir, which point remaining? Which point is left? Sir, C dash F dash and C double dash F dash. Very simple. D dash to C dash measure. So this is D dash to C dash measure. Mark here. Mark here. Okay. And here also D dash to C dash measure. Mark here. Lateral. Join here to. Oh, sorry. Light lines, right? Light line. This one should be a center line. So light lines always dotted line you have to keep, right? Join here. Simple, sir. Okay, what is the next step, sir? Sir, point. Next step is naming. Name, give name. Name is, what is this point name, sir? C dash F dash. And here the point name is C double dash F double dash. Observe. So what is the next step? Next step is draw the projection line from here to top. From this point to this point. From here to here. From here to here. Exactly this type of diagram will become if we'll draw with proper measurement. But here diagram little bit bend, little bit not in proper position because of without dimension I'm doing, right? Right. Sir, draw set here to here, draw. Next, sir, vertical projection line over horizontal projection line. I need to draw horizontal projection line from F point. A and E same level, so one projection line will come here. Leave it. B and D also. Next, here also. So intersection point, find out. Next step is intersection point. So intersection point you find out. Sir, A dash. C. Sir, this is E. This is E. E dash. F. F dash. C. C dash. D. D dash. Right? Then D. D dash. This one. Observe. Similarly here, F double dash. F. F double dash. F double dash. F. Then A double dash. A double dash line. A line. E line. This is also. Sorry. E double dash line here. And this one is D double dash, and this one is A double dash, right? No, sorry, B double dash, B double dash, right? B double dash. 1 minute, 1 minute. Charge over from laptop. Okay. Click on, then everything will go. Okay. Sir, what is the next step, sir? Sir, after finding here also C double dash, C dash. Sir, join only, right? By line, you join. here to here, 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 right? This is our next. Next, sir, this side also you join here to here, here, right? Next, sir, next join here to here and here to here you join, right? So actually, observe, sir, observe. But actually, this side, right, and this three side, you have to draw dotted line. This side, and this side, you have to draw dotted line. These three sides is solid line. Then you have to draw from here to here, join here to here. So this is the diagram, sir. Why I told, sir, this side should be dotted line. Observe, sir. This side, back side or not? This side also back side or not? This side also back side or not? It is not visible. So that's why this three will be visible. This face will be visible, and this shape will be visible. This is the diagram here, right, sir? This is I have done based on the criteria given here, right? Second step over third step, sir, where I will do the diagram? Here I will do the diagram, then last diagram here. Don't come to here, sir. Here vertical plane. Observe this ready. This data is ready or not? 60° to HP, sir. Which one 60° to HP? Axis or edge? Observe the edge of its base in VP and inclined to 60°. Edge is 60°, sir. Which one is edge? These are the edge. Okay, these are the edge. Don't bend axis 60°. Edge is 60°. Sometimes students are doing axis 60° bend. Problem. Clearly mention edge of its base inclined at 60°. See how to do this problem. See, very simple. Just like scenery diagram it is. Right? Observe. What I have to do? 60° even. So I have to draw here a 60° here. I'll draw a 60° here. 60° line I draw a here. Right? So what is the angle? This angle is 60°. This angle is 60°. 60°, right? So whatever, sir, naming, give name. If you will not give name, it will create a lot of problem. So what is the name here? I have to give. This is A dash. This one is B dash and C dash. Any name, not compulsory this name only. Any name, your name also you can give, no problem. B dash, but you cannot write your name here, right? Very long. Your name is very long. B dash. Yes. Right? F double dash. E double dash. E double dash. This one is D double dash. C double dash. Oh my God. and this one is B double dash, right? And finally A double dash. Diagram over. Sir, what I am doing here? Observe. Sir, this is DE, right? DE. DE, if I'll see to the reference line, it is 90 degree. Na? DE line and the reference line XY 90 degree. Na? So what I have to do? I have to take this D9 instead of 90 degree. I will make this edge to 60 degree. 90 degree is given, so this edge I will make 60 degree. Observe, sir, how to do? Very simple, very simple. Sir. Observe. Take any point here. Okay, here I am taking point. Okay, any point, sir. Give some distance here. Give some distance so that the diagram will not come below. Right. Sir, what is the point name? D double dash. D double dash. And measure D double dash to E double dash. Mark here. This is E double dash. Right. Sir, this is D double dash. This is D double dash. And this one is E double dash. Right. Sir, what I will do next? Observe, sir. Sir, this D double D from D point, a line passed or not? A blue color line. From E point, a blue color line passed or not? Sir, this DE and blue color line perpendicular to each other, na? Oh, sir, perpendicular. This DE, this blue color line perpendicular to each other, na? Yes, perpendicular. Then what I need to do? Sir, same way I will follow. This is my D. I will draw a blue color line. Okay, I'm for understanding, I'm mentioning the color name actually. Light line you have to draw. Okay. So perpendicular line I draw. Now this blue color line and the D point, DE line perpendicular or not? Same DE line, blue color line perpendicular. So DE line, blue color line perpendicular. Similarly from E point also perpendicular line there. E point perpendicular. What is the length? No need of length. Later I will erase. Light line. Later I will erase it. Right? Observe, sir. Sir, what is the next step? Very simple, sir. Sir, D and B, same level, D point on the same line, B point. Measure D to B. Measure D to B and mark here. Measure E to A and mark here. Right. What is the points are here? B point. What is the point here, sir? A point. Sir, F point is required. C point is required. Very simple. Take D to C distance. D to C distance. Draw a arc this side. And B to C distance. This is my B point. Draw a arc this side. Now join here to here. Join here to here. This is my C point. Same also do for F point here. E to F distance and A to F distance. Mark here. Right. And draw the arc and join the lines. Slowly I'm telling, time taking it is also. Right. Sir, join here to join here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. Okay. Sir, what is the next? Very simple, sir. Observe, sir. What is the point? Point here. This is my C point, right? C double dash. This is my this one is my B double dash, and this one is my A double dash, and this one is your double dash. Right? Some point is your, some point is mine here. Right? So what is the next step? Very simple, sir. Observe. Sir, f dash to f a. This side I have to draw. This side is over. I have to draw this side. Sir, all are perpendicular lines. This line, these lines, these lines. So this lines already there. No? What I'm doing? Okay, let me shift this diagram a little bit down, right? Because no space is here now. Okay, okay. Observe, sir. What I will do? What I will do? I'll draw the diagram or what? Sir, here take the line, extend this line also, extend this line also. From this point also extend one line. From this point also extend one line. Right? What you will do? What you will do, sir? F double dash to F you measure by compass. You mark here. F double dash to measure and mark here. Why is F double dash to F by compass measure? Mark here. A double dash to A dash measure. A double dash to A dash. A double dash to A dash measure and mark here. Then E double dash to E dash measure. E double dash to E dash mark here. Next B double dash to B dash measure. B double dash to B dash measure. B double dash to B dash you mark here. Sir, D double dash to D dash measure. Okay, measuring, sir. You are telling me, so I will measure. Then C dash to C double dash measure and mark. Next, join. Very difficult task by handling this mouse. Okay, observe, sir. Observe here to here join. Here to here join. Okay, I'm trying this one. Here to here join. Here, here, and here. Right? Then simple, very simple. अरे क्या हो गया ये? Okay, we draw like this one. We take less time. Okay, here to here join. Here to here join. So now next join here to here. Okay, right? Join here to here. Then join here to here. Join here to here. Join here to, right? Sir, these three lines should be dotted line. Which three line? This line, this line, and this line. But here I have drawn the solid line. Don't forget to do dotted line. This three line, this three line, this one, and this one, this three line, right? Sir, this view is over. Next, sir, what is I have to do? This one, this one, this one, right? This one I have to do. You can erase this line, not required this line here. Okay, big size eraser came. Huh? What is the problem? Okay, observe, sir. You can erase also. Okay, no problem. Lateral see. Then, sir, what is the next step? Simple, sir. Projection line only I will draw. Right, and then I'll complete the diagrams. So naming is given here. Whatever B double dash, B dash name. Okay, I'm leaving. Why I will leave it? This much I am doing means B dash, E dash, okay, F dash, right? F dash, oh, C dash, oh, D dash. This one is finally A dash, right? After naming, what you will do, known as a projection line, very thin line. You have to draw thin line vertically, projection line up to bottom from every point, from every point, from every point you draw. Like this, vertical lines you have to draw. Okay, na? And okay, then horizontal lines you have to draw. Horizontal line. So see, horizontal line also I'm drawing here, here. This is one line. This is one line. This is one line. Right? So find the intersection point here. Can you do up to this? Very simple, sir. Okay. C dash, C dash, right? This is C dash, C dash, this is C dash. Here I got the point. B dash, B dash. Here I got the point. D dash, D dash. Here I got the point. Then E dash, E dash. Here I got the point. F dash. Where is F dash? F dash. F dash. Here I got the no point came here. Actually, no measurement now, so point are coming different place. So if you go through this diagram with proper measurement, you can easily complete this diagram, right? A dash. Okay, first let me A dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. One more point required. One more point. C D dash, D dash, D dash over now. B dash, okay, B dash also over. Then C dash, F dash, okay, F dash also over. A dash, A dash also over. E dash, this is E dash, this is also E dash. Are 6 point over, right? 6 point is over. Like this, here some point is coming at different place. So we have to join like this. The diagram may not come properly because, right? Okay, here, okay. So same way, okay, like this you have to join. You have to join here because I have not taken 60° properly. So maybe this diagram little bit turn here. That means I mean this side total it will come like this, little bit here, and this side little bit down because it is around looking like 45° angles, right? This is 90°. Observe this angle and this angle. 90° or not 45° or 40° angle, but in the question it is given 60°. So I mean this line should come here. This 60° D line should come at this position like this. Then only the total diagram will be shifted here. It will be shifted like this, tilted to be like this. I hope you can do it. Write this. After that point, this diagram will come here a little bit. And all this point will come this side. So I'll draw this diagram like this diagram will come. I'll take down like this. Okay. Like this diagram will come here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or not. This side also like this diagram will come. Here you have to draw the projection line. Here this side also some intersection point you need to find out, and you need to join like this. It will come. Then you have to join here to here, right? Then here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay, this is the diagram will come. You try yourself. You can do if you follow these steps, this much steps, what I told, you can easily complete this diagram. I hope this diagram is clear to all of you, because this is a very difficult one to understand the question, also to draw the three steps also. And here space issue in the screen only I have to adjust, and also no proper measurement dimension I'm taking. Exactly the step what I'm telling, that step you follow, the proper measurement you follow, you can complete the diagram happily, no problem at all. 100% sure, I'm giving guarantee, right? So the next video I will discuss the next questions, right? So I'm concluding here. Then again we will meet in the next video, right? Okay, bye.